Alright, so we have the images up here. And we'll pull them up here. There we go. And now what we're going to do is we're going to get the calibration frames up. So we're going to pull the flat frames up. Alright. And the 3 dark frames that we took. Alright. And then the bias frames. Alright, I'm going to do the region of interest. Go. And we are ready to stack. So we're going to add the offsets, which this is going to go real fast. We're already on 6 of 17. And halfway through the offsets. And we'll be back when the uploaded image is done stacking. Okay, so now the image is done stacking. And this is the image that you're going to get here. And we're going to do the same thing with this one as we did with the other one. We're going to move the red, the green, and the blue. Okay, move this one over there. And get them as close to the middle as possible here. There we go. It looks perfect. Alright. Get this over here. Darkness over. And then with this one, you're going to have to use saturation because it's color. We're actually going to make it lighter. There we go. And we'll save it. And then we're going to flip it to Photoshop. Open. Open sesame. Okay. And again, we're going to do the same thing. Take this here. Again, this was a 15-minute image, and there is no drift at all. None. No drift. And of course, this is cropped. So you had a huge, wide field of view. Okay. Now with this one, we're going to use the HLVG, which is the Hostel Vista Green, because again, this one is in color. So we're going to get rid of that. Space noise reduction. deep space noise reduction. We're going to enhance the DSO. This one we're going to increase the star color because again it's a colored image. So there's certain things I do with colored images and certain things I do with black and white. And then less crunchy, more fuzzy. Okay. And also with this one we're going to enhance the contrast too. And then the levels. And there you have it. Now, of course, naturally, I could work a lot with this, but again, really get the detail of the actual galaxy. I mean, I could really go nuts, and I can do. Screen. I can do high pass. Okay. And I can do overlay. So then you can really actually get the detail of it. So you can really get the detail and get the actual wisps and everything. Move that out of the way. And there you go. Now, is it perfect? No. I could work on it for a while, but I like it. And there you have it. And you can actually do the side by side if you really wanted to. Here's your side by side. Now, of course, naturally, you're going to get more detail with the monochrome than you would with the colored camera, but still, nonetheless, you're still getting an amazing image. It's a 10-minute image on the left, 120 minutes, and then 15 minutes, there was 8 of them there, which is not bad. So we're going to end this abbreviated, and I'll post these on Twitter. I'll post it on Instagram, and I'll post it on Facebook. So with that being said, have a great night.